What are the three stocks paying Warren Buffett the most dividends? Stay to the end to see an honorable mention of a company that had made Buffett over $40 billion in dividends in just 14 years. Warren Buffett, the mastermind behind Berkshire Hathaway, is raking in a jaw-dropping $2.1 billion a year in dividends from a trio of stocks. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's legendary investment acumen is once again proving its worth. While Berkshire Hathaway itself doesn't distribute dividends, Buffett's philosophy is to let shareholders choose how to allocate their returns. In 2023 alone, Buffett's dividend earnings soared to an incredible $6 billion, and this figure is set to climb even higher. The secret to his success? Three key stocks that are driving his ever-growing fortune. One of Buffett's most famous pieces of investing advice is, the stock market is a no-called-strike game. You don't have to swing at everything. You can wait for your pitch. This wisdom has guided him throughout his illustrious investing career and has certainly paid off with these three stocks. The first successful stock that Buffett earned dividends from was Kraft Heinz, a multinational food company renowned for its Heinz tomato ketchup. Kraft Heinz ranks as the seventh largest holding in Berkshire Hathaway, with Buffett owning 325.6 million shares valued at an impressive $11.8 billion. Boasting a yield of 4.4%, the highest in his portfolio, Kraft Heinz delivers a substantial $520.5 million in dividends to Buffett annually. Interestingly, Buffett himself has acknowledged a misstep with this investment. In a 2019 CNBC interview, he admitted to interviewer Becky Quick, "I was wrong in a couple of ways about Kraft Heinz. We overpaid for Kraft." Despite this overpayment, the stock remains his highest dividend earner, proving that even his mistakes can yield significant financial rewards. The second highest paying stock in Buffett's portfolio is the beverage giant Coca-Cola. According to Investor Place, Buffett bought stock in the company after they sent him a can of cherry Coke in the 1980s. At that time, he sold all his PepsiCo holdings and now owns 400 million shares of Coca-Cola, worth a staggering $23.5 billion. With a yield of 3.3%, lower than Kraft Heinz's, Coca-Cola still pays Buffett approximately $775.6 million annually. As one of Buffett's oldest holdings, the beverage giant proves to be a reliable, all-weather stock that aspiring investors should consider. The third highest-paying stock contributing to Buffett's immense net worth is the gas and oil giant Chevron. The investor owns over 126 million shares in the company, valued at $20.5 billion. Although Buffett sold some shares last year, he has since increased his holdings in Chevron. The stock currently has a yield of 4%, amounting to $822 million in dividends this year. This figure could rise even further if Chevron successfully acquires Hess Corporation, potentially opening doors to the lucrative Guyana market and boosting the value of Buffett's investment. These impressive figures come from just three stocks and don't account for Buffett's other significant holdings, such as Bank of America and Moody's Corporation. Additionally, Buffett still earns a substantial sum from BNSF Railway, which he owns entirely. According to Investor Place, since acquiring the railroad company in 2010, he has received $41.8 billion in dividends.